we have to add like dependency here, Confetti, and let's give the bucket. So I have copied code from the library documentation. You can visit the Confetti library in pub.dev. So I'm going to paste here. Here we have to import this, and let's create a controller. Let's command it. And here Confetti controller, and let's add this variable name. And here let's add the late. So now we have completed the app. So let's check it. Right here I have used the same widget twice and wrapped it with align widget and changed the alignment. Here I gave the right and here I gave the left, right? So let's rebuild the app. So we have got the error. We haven't initialized the controller. So let's add the init state void init state here, and here controller top center equal to confetti controller, and here we have to add duration. Here let's add milliseconds 30, right? Then we have to add underscore center dot play, right? If we save this, hopefully I think it will work. So let's restart the app. So let's open it. And I think we have made a mistake. We have to add super dot init state here, and at override here, at right here, right? So now it should work. Let's see. See, now we have achieved this. We have got the confetti.